Welcome to the best Orange County auto repair shop in Aliso Viejo. Is your vehicle in need of service, repairs, or maintenance? If you're experiencing automotive issues due to the California weather, come to Super Service of Aliso Viejo. We are a European and domestic vehicle repair shop that specializes in getting your vehicle road ready. No matter what the issue is, we can fix it with a warranty. Call our Super Service advisors today at 949-866-5040 to schedule a vehicle service inspection appointment. Thank you for trusting our Super Service of Aliso Viejo team. We also offer alignment check specials with any and all of our services. Adjustments are extra. Visit our website today at www.superserviceofalisoviejo.com and schedule an online vehicle service appointment.